Alright, so I've designed this like 3 times on a computer. Try to pick the best avenue to do. The one I try to work with, there's some issues like putting it all together. So I really tried some different options. Definitely have to work with like what's light, easy, portable. Make sure it's sturdy but not so much wood. I don't want it super heavy. It's gonna be 2 people no matter what just because of the size, but I still don't want it super heavy. So there's so many criteria that I try to meet, and then also I want it beginner friendly. So I could do a lot more elaborate stuff in the back, like inward French cleat style, so they'll all line in, but that's not gonna be good for someone who's a beginner. So I always try to break this down super easy, and everything I put like a little demo of how I want it to go and checks all the boxes. It's not a lot of wood, it's not super heavy, it should be easy to put together for 2 people. Now that I simplified it, and it should be nice and sturdy for especially for any indoor events. If you're doing outdoor, that's on you, but because outdoor, a big old 8 foot by 8 foot, you're just asking for wind. So you can put this maybe be close to a wall where there's not going to be a lot of wind coming behind it, or some type of way. So definitely think outside the box if you're going to be doing outside. All right, so now I gotta take this all down and re-put it together the way it should work, and we should be good to go. I hate painting. And it begins. I wasn't recording that whole time, I guess. Again, right here, 45. Boom, 45. Just cut both sides. You can also do that with a jigsaw. You just kind of want that pyramid look. Thanks for watching. I know it took me a while to put this together, but if you want the plans, they're going to be linked down below in the description, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.